Hey, Facebook. Happy Friday, TGIF.
Facebook.
Guess who I'm with? This is Robin Reed, the new president of the Chamber of Arizona. We're out here in the Biltmore talking some business, obviously. You know, that's what I do, having a coffee chat here, trying to see how we can align with the Chamber and connect the dots. I think we came up with a good partnership and collaboration for 2018. We're super excited. We know people are wondering what the Chamber is going to do, how they can get involved, and this is what Connect the Dots is about, bringing the Chamber to the people, bringing the people to the Chamber so that we can level up in business and be better business people, better professionals, and better people in our community. Robin and I, he's going to sponsor Connect the Dots, so I'm super excited about that. Obviously, I'm a member of the Chamber, and I promote what they're doing. We need to get involved if we want to see change, and so Robin has some great initiatives coming forward for 2018 that he's going to talk about really quick, and we're going to talk to you about how you can get involved, joining Connect the Dots, and how that's going to correlate with being involved with the Chamber. Talk to him, Robin.
Okay, well, hello everybody, and I've been I've been a fan of Coffee Chat since it very first started. Shasta and I have had opportunities to meet several times over the last year. The thing that I'm most excited about, and that we as a chamber are most excited about, is what our initiative is for 2018. We're very strong believers that this should be our year of collaboration and promotion, helping each other, remembering that if we are promoting the success of others that we see, it will come back to us each time. There's a lot of great people doing amazing things. You know, I wish I hadn't missed the Connect the Dots at the end of last month. I'm a huge fan of Dr. Will Moreland and follow him avidly on Facebook and recommend that everyone else does that as well. But he has a number of things that he shares with the community that are valuable business insights that should be followed. I'm hoping to talk with him and Shasta about even doing some sort of workshop to teach small business owners how to do short and brief presentations. I think he is eminently qualified to share that with people and put more qualified businesses out into the marketplace. But again, we do that through promoting each other, through collaborating, and not competing with each other.
That's right.
From the chamber standpoint, Connect the Dots is a very valuable service that's provided to the business community, regardless of your ethnicity. We think that Connect the Dots is just a very, very valuable service that this community can benefit from. So we want to work with Connect the Dots rather than trying to compete or do our own networking events. It's easier for us to channel people through Connect the Dots because they have a design system to make that most beneficial to small business owners. The other thing that we're really working on is helping educate business owners on the various levels of small business ownership. The U.S. Department of Commerce calls a small business less than 100 employees and up to $10 million in sales. Well, we know that a lot of solopreneurs and micro businesses don't qualify. So we're also working with some of our larger organizations to make sure that content is being delivered to the small business community where they are. If the only content that is being offered to small businesses is advice and insights when you have 100 employees and you're doing $10 million in business, then what's left for that small business owner that's trying to hit 100,000 in annual revenue or is 1 or 2 employees? So we're making sure that we are sourcing information to help that small business. A couple of things that we're excited about that we'll be launching in the first quarter of this year is our A2C program. That's our Access to Capital. We'll be working with National Bank of Arizona and Ultima Business Solutions. We've designed a curriculum to help business owners become bank ready. In order to get access to capital, you've got to be qualified for that capital. And so we're going to give you the tools, the insights to qualify for loans that already exist within National Bank of Arizona. So that's going to be exciting. We're doing the same thing with another organization. And as we develop that, I will share more information. The value in becoming a member of the Chamber is of the 3 program series we offer. One is healthcare series. The other is youth entrepreneurship. And the third is economic development. One of the most significant values of being a member of the Chamber is our economic development programs are going to be either paid or member only, because we know the value of that content is significant enough to help your business get to the next level. And we think it's important that you have a little skin in the game. Either you're a member of the Chamber.
Invest in yourself.
Absolutely.
You gotta invest in yourself.
It's again, to bring up Dr. Will Moreland, but he posted something the other day that I thought was very poignant, and it was, we pay for what we want and we beg for what we need. Mm-hmm. I actually want to see what I can do to contribute to us taking a different approach so that is not so true a statement. I'd like to see that we are paying for what we need, and that allows us to afford what we want.
That's right.
So again, I'm real excited to be connected with Connect the Dots. I'm watching this guy go by with all the noisy chairs. But I've watched Shasta develop this business over the last year from truly a concept, an idea, to, from what I understand, there were 70 people at the last Connect the Dots. I remember when we had 7 people. I know. So to watch that kind of growth, it just tells me that she really understands that one of the key concepts to success in business is you got to do the work.
And be consistent.
Yeah, you do. You have to be consistent, but you have to do the work. You can't just say what you're going to do. You actually have to get out there and do it. I've watched Shasta do that for a year. I could not be more excited for her success, and we'll make a point of promoting that success as we move forward. But I do look forward to seeing some of you as members. Whenever possible, I will try to make it to the Connect the Dot events. And trust me when I tell you, it is not because Shasta isn't persistent. because
I get calling all the time.
Because she is, within that week of a Connect the Dots, my phone is blowing up, making sure I'm either going to be there or explaining why I'm not there. So, but yes, I'm very excited. I'm very excited to promote your businesses as I'm able to learn more about them and see where we can create value for you in the community. And take a minute, reach out to me. Shasta has my contact information. You can certainly go to the Chamber website, which is blackchamberaz.com. We're going to start posting content and things that I think are going to be of value to you as well. And I look forward to interacting with you when we have an opportunity.
Thanks, Robin.
Thank you.
So it's time, you guys. It's economic development. This is going to be our primary focus. I mean, we got health too, obviously. Our health is our wealth. But it's time for us to get our money together. It's time for us to work together. And it's time for us to start to partner with one another so that we can level up with each other. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for everybody that came out to the last Connect the Dots. Reach out to me if you want to know how you can get with the Chamber. Do you have a meeting coming up as an open meeting?
No, we'll post it on the website.
Okay, so there is going to be a meeting with the Chamber. If you want to get more information about what we're going to be doing, and I will be posting that information on my calendar as well. So thanks for tuning in. Just want to let you know we're making moves around here. It's all about actions and results, like I said at the last meeting. And so if you want to get connected, you want to see results in your business, you got to take action, and Connect the Dots is doing just that. So we hope to see you there at the next event. And thanks so much. Have a great day.